Zodiac signs have been around since ancient times. To many people, the sign they're born under influences their personality, character, and even their health. For these reasons, some seek out zodiac gemstones that can amplify these strengths and support perceived weaknesses. For those born between April and May, the Taurus is a sign of reliability and a frugal nature when it comes to spending. For those who've ever wondered what to get the Taurus in their life, here are the top 5 gemstones that are perfect for a Taurus. Number 5. Aventurine. For the material-minded Taurus, aventurine can be a welcome change. A stone for dreamers, aventurine promotes feelings of peace and patience. By stimulating the subconscious part of ourselves, it opens a Taurus to dreaming and creativity, both often neglected parts of their personality. Number 4. Citrine. Often careful with their money, finances are an area of anxiety for Taurus. Long known as the money stone, citrine is also known for promoting confidence and determination. Citrine is also said to reduce feelings of stress. Number 3. Rhodochrosite. Known for promoting a positive self-image, rhodochrosite is useful for a Taurus as they often set aside their sense of self in pursuit of goals. Rhodochrosite encourages self-reflection and openness, both helpful for a Taurus who sometimes have trouble expressing their emotions. Number 2. Zircon. A stone of healing, zircon is said to be powerful in overcoming loss. For a bull who often fixates on the happiness of their home, it reminds them that life is not permanent and not to be overly attached to material things. Zircon can help navigate the time after loss and manage feelings of sadness. Number 1. Chrysocolla. Said to be great in reducing stress, chrysocolla helps one see the link between heaven and earth. For Taurus, who often has trouble with quickly making decisions, chrysocolla can help ease feelings of stress and anxiety. It promotes a sense of calm and tolerance, and even aids intuition. What gem would you give the Taurus in your life? Tell us in the comments and be sure to like and subscribe to Shop LC for more content.